Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we start, hit like and subscribe. It's easier than finding an open shop on a Sunday in Germany, and that's saying something. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started.
Question number 1. When will offences carrying 2 points be deleted from the Central Register of Road Traffic Offenders? 3 years. False. The duration for deletion is longer than 3 years. 2 years. False. Offences with 2 points are not deleted after just 2 years. 5 years. True. Serious offences carrying 2 points are deleted from the record after a period of 5 years.